Control V, change it here, Wikipedia. Then for Twitter, select Twitter, window, actions, Control V, and twitter.com, and here actions and Control V, yahoo.com. okay, close it. Let's change the property here, document property. I want to change background color. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it's looking nice. Okay, so here we have created these 4 buttons, and now let's see how to publish this. Go to publish setting, and if you want to create flash format file and HTML file, just click here for destination folder, means path, where do you want to publish this. Okay, and write any name here, multiple button or anything. Okay, first I want to save this program, file, save, multiple button.fla, save the file. Okay, yeah, here I escape one thing. Go to window, action, and write stop here. Okay, close it and save it again, Control S. Now let's see how to publish. Go to publish setting, tick this flash and HTML, and select the destination folder. Then check the flash, and this is for HTML. If you don't want looping, just uncheck it, click OK, and then publish. Okay, so it's there, but we can work with here also, publish preview flash. Okay, if I will click on Google, then my browser is open and I can open Google from here. Okay, like this, Twitter or anything. Now let's see. Okay, so this is my SWF file and this is HTML created file. Okay, but if I will click on this link, then this security warning will pop up. Then go to settings, and you can change settings here. After changing the setting, you can directly open your links from the browsers. Okay.